Welcome to the TxFLEET tutorial, How to Use the Account Dashboard.
In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the TxFLEET account dashboard. So as soon as you log into the system, you're going to land on your account dashboard. And the account dashboard is really the central place for you to perform all functions related to your fleet or fleets. So the first thing you'll notice is we logged in and we have an account number and our account name. So you'll see that. You're also going to see what we have are a series of what we call widgets, okay, and they're dynamic. So things are going to change based on the current status of the application. You'll see I have an amount due. If there is a balance, you'll see a make a payment button, so I'll be able to make a payment from the dashboard. In addition, you'll see your credit balance. In this example, I don't have any balance, but if I did, I'd be able to request a refund. Below that, you'll see what we have are some dynamic widgets for renewals. So in this example, I can renew my IRP fleet, and that button's going to show up when it's time to renew. In addition, I can also renew an intrastate registration. One of the new features of TxFLEET is going to be the ability for carriers to upload documents to the system when those are required to complete an application. And this tells me right here that I have some required materials due. And if I click on this button, it's going to allow me to upload documents. Below that, we have some suggested actions, and we have actions that are frequently used functions for IRP as well as our intrastate fleets. So I can do things like add units, change the motor carrier responsible for safety, start a supplement, etc. Once you start an application, for an example, if I start a renewal, and start performing work, it's going to end up in my pending transactions. Okay, so if you don't complete an application, this is where you're going to be able to find it, right under your pending transactions heading. A couple other things about the system I want to mention is it's real easy to maintain your password. You click on the ellipsis on the right hand of the screen. It'll allow me to change my password. That'll take me to a screen to do that. You're also going to see a quick links navigation menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard, and it's going to be present on all screens as well. So under the account folder, I'll have options to access contacts, addresses if I need to make any updates to those things. Under account finance, I can look at my account balance summary, payment history. If I select the fleet folder, I can do things like create a new fleet, create a new intrastate fleet, as well as view my fleet listings. And resource tools will again allow me to, if I click on under my security, I can edit my password again. And then beyond that, there's also the ability to click on help. So there's an integrated help system that includes videos and tutorials on how to perform basic functions. So that's a quick overview of the TxFLEET system. Thanks for watching this video.
This video was produced for the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles Motor Carrier Division for users of TxFLEET.